Hi everyone. Yesterday we spoke about ACC stock. We talked about how it was in this range and it went up today. As we discussed, it went up around 1.5%. Uh, it may face a resistance, little resistance here, may kind of come down from here and then eventually go up. So stay invested if you invested in this. Today we'll talk about a couple of more stocks. The first one we'll talk about is Newgen. So I've been following Newgen from quite some time now. It has made multiple good uh, price value ranges. You see this one breakdown, this one breakout, another one, and then this is a very long channel that it was into. Um, Somewhere here you see that there is a big uptick here. If you look at what happened here, Newgen gave a very good quarterly result, a good profit. That's where it came out of this channel with heavy volumes. If you see, there is good amount of volume here. um, so what it is doing now, so someone, big investors enter here. They probably, obviously they didn't get their returns out yet. So I hope that the stock will go up if it continues to show good performance, which I think it will. But we'll have to look at the price value, right? So the value of the price established in this channel from long time now. Every candle here resembles one day. So from a long time, roughly from July 2021 to now, it is in this channel. The buyers are not allowing it to go down from this lower end of the channel, and the sellers are not allowing it to go higher from this channel. But what we see in last 2 days is pretty good volume here. If you look at this volume, this is pretty good volume here. Um, and after this volume, what we are seeing is like a big candle here, right? So this is not a work of any retailer. As we discussed yesterday as well, we'll have to follow the footsteps of big investors, and this clearly indicates footsteps of some big investors, buyers or bulls getting into this stock now. I think it will be a good trade or investment opportunity. You can get into this. So you can get into this right here. Um what I expect is probably a big candle again tomorrow and going up, or maybe a small retracement and then going up from here. So this is I think one good one. The another good one is Siemens. What I am looking at in Siemens is um, this big value price range. So the value of the price is established in this particular range. The buyers and sellers are pushing it higher and lower, as we discussed yesterday as well. And right now, guys, it is at the lower end of this channel. So good opportunity to buy, and you can run this rally up to here at least. And I think it may go up this time, but we'll have to see volumes when it comes here and what kind of candle it is forming. If you look at like how much you can make, this is around uh, 11-12% uptrend from here is what I'm expecting. Another one is Balaji Telefilms. Right. So this stock, what it is doing is again you have this value price area established. This channel you're looking at. So buyers and sellers are pushing this up and down. It went down from this channel, but it came up sharply and then again established in the same price pattern. Now, what we are seeing right now is after this long run, first time is making a green candle outside of this area. Obviously, the volumes are not huge, so I'm going to wait for another candle here. And if it makes another green candle outside of this price value range, it means that now the buyers have all the power to establish a new price value, which will be higher than this, right? So normally the way we trade is like, this depth is what we take as the target above if it breaks out. So this is around Sorry about that. So this is about this high. So we are going to expect a target of 70 plus, which is around 13-14%. And lastly, I looked at it today. So Adani Enterprises. Now what Adani Enterprises is doing, I haven't created any patterns as of now. I didn't think about it in quite a lot of detail, but what it is doing right now is, if you see this pattern here, right? So it is a good value price area as we define it. So let's highlight this area. And so this is the area. A couple of good things that you can see here is that, you know, the value, the price came into this area, and then buyers and sellers thought that this is a good price, right? So this is a good price where both buyers and sellers are happy. They keep running price up and down until this area where it broke down. And this is what we call as a pin bar candle. A pin bar candle means that the buyers did not like this price at all, and they just, you know, wanted the price to get in very fast. That's why it makes a pin bar and gets into the price value area again. Now, when this time it went up, the sellers again pushed it down, but see that the center line is what we call as the control price, right? So the control price gave a good support, which means that sellers now are giving up their powers, and buyers are very strong. They're not allowing it to go below the control line. They're not allowing it to go at the bottom of the value price area. So what they do is, you know, they make a W or a double bottom pattern here, like this one. Go to the top. Now what we will have to wait for is for it to make a good candle here, like a green candle here, right? Outside, closing outside of this box. And that's the time we can take the trade. Now this box itself is, I think, you know, roughly around 6%. So we can easily expect a 6% run above, but we will have to at that point see that where buyers think, buyers and sellers find an equilibrium of price where they both will be happy that this new price area can establish. So you can see something like, you know, the price moves kind of up from here and then kind of establishes a new price area, uh, value price area, sorry. So this is what you can see, or maybe you can see something like this, like going up diagonally. But it's going to be a good investment opportunity once it goes out of this. That's all for today. Thanks a lot. And please do let me know if you have any questions about the stocks. Bye.